The secret to turning scrap wood into beautiful and stunning lamp crafts lies not in complicated blueprints or advanced skills, but in recognizing the power of simplicity, creativity, and vision to transform what is often dismissed as waste into projects that radiate both charm and profitability. Because within every discarded plank, branch, or uneven piece of wood exists the raw material for something extraordinary. Something that can illuminate not only a room, but also a maker's journey toward success. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of simple scrap wood lamps projects ideas that sell for big profits and modern home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Scrap wood, with all its quirks, imperfections, and unique character, is a resource that requires no elaborate preparation to become the foundation of a lamp that feels alive with personality and when shaped with intention. Even the roughest of pieces can be reborn as the base, stand, or accent of a lamp that captivates the eye and warms the heart. The process begins with a simple willingness to see possibility. A thick block of wood becomes a solid rustic base, a slender branch becomes a natural column, an oddly shaped offcut becomes a sculptural centerpiece, and in each case the grain, the texture, the knots, and the natural asymmetry serve as decorative features rather than flaws. The beauty of crafting lamps from scrap wood is that it requires no perfection to achieve stunning results. In fact, it is the irregularity, the unexpected shape, and the visible history of the material that give each lamp its unique character and its irresistible appeal in today's market. In a world saturated with identical, mass-produced lighting, buyers crave originality, authenticity, and sustainability, and scrap wood lamps deliver all three in a single piece. The artistry comes in working with the wood rather than against it, letting its form suggest the design, allowing the natural grain to shine through, and enhancing its beauty with careful sanding, oiling, or staining that brings depth and richness to the surface. The sustainability comes in reclaiming what would otherwise be thrown away, breathing new life into discarded materials and turning waste into wonder, a principle that resonates strongly with modern consumers who value eco-conscious living. And the profitability comes not only from the low cost of materials, but from the high perceived value of owning a one-of-a-kind lamp. A piece of functional art that cannot be replicated because it is born of nature's random designs and the maker's creative interpretation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. What seems to the beginner like a simple project, a few pieces of scrap wood assembled with a lamp kit, can quickly reveal itself as a powerful business opportunity because each lamp tells a story and stories sell. Customers are not simply buying a light source. They are buying a statement, a conversation piece, an object that combines utility with artistry, sustainability with style, and in doing so, elevates their home decor in ways ordinary lamps cannot. The secret, then, is not only in the crafting but in the mindset, to approach scrap wood not as limitation but as liberation, to embrace the fact that no two pieces will ever be alike, and to see every lamp not just as a project but as a bridge between nature's raw beauty and human creativity. With each lamp created, the maker grows more confident, more attuned to the flow of working with wood, and more inspired to push designs further, experimenting with combinations of shapes, finishes, and hardware to produce lamps that range from rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern pieces with a natural twist. And as these creations find their way into homes, studios, shops, and online marketplaces, they bring with them not only light, but also the proof that big profits can indeed come from simple projects when vision, sustainability, and artistry align. Each lamp becomes a symbol of transformation, of wood reborn, of creativity realized, of waste redefined as wealth, and for both the maker and the buyer, the process becomes a journey of appreciation for the beauty of imperfection, the value of craftsmanship, and the endless possibilities of seeing beyond the obvious. The appeal is timeless, because wood carries with it a warmth and familiarity that resonates across cultures and styles, and when fashioned into a lamp, it combines the primal comfort of firelight with the modern necessity of illumination. Creating an object that is at once practical and poetic. This is why scrap wood lamps hold such potential in today's market. They meet the demand for uniqueness, sustainability, and beauty while offering the maker an accessible path to profit with minimal cost and maximum creativity. The secret is not hidden in technique, but revealed in perspective. The perspective that understands that every cut and grain, every sanded surface and polished finish, is part of a process that transforms simplicity into success. As the lamp is completed and its light switched on for the first time, the glow reveals not only the finished piece, but the deeper truth that success in woodcraft is less about resources and more about resourcefulness, less about perfection and more about passion, less about complexity and more about the courage to begin with what you have. And so, the journey of turning scrap wood into beautiful, stunning lamp crafts is not only about creating decor that sells, but about discovering a way of life where creativity and sustainability illuminate the path to both artistic fulfillment and financial reward. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple scrap wood lamps projects ideas that sell for big profits and modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.